Well, good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Grumman Pilot's YouTube channel. And today we're going to flash back to September of 1999, the memorial at Brookville Air Park, I-62, for the memorial for Jon Maestre. It was quite the unexpected turnout. Lots of people came in from all over country, and a good time was had by all for the occasion. And we hope you enjoy these pictures. These pictures again by Steve Williams.
So we would like to ask you please subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notify to stay current with our content.
So there you go. Those were the pictures of the event, and here was the happy couple, Jon and Ruth Maestre. Thanks for watching. Hope you found it informative, and have a great day flying your Grumman.